how to wash and reassemble your Snuggin Go 2. First thing we're going to do is flip your Snuggin Go 2 over so it's upside down, and you're going to take off your neck piece. To do that, we're going to flip this flap over, exposing your plastic frame and your frame for your neck piece. To take this apart, you're going to take the outside of your frame and gently pull, releasing that, and then pull this side, releasing it completely. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. You're going to flip the flap, gently pull the outside of your plastic frame, and push your neck frame. This is completely taken apart now. We're going to set this aside just for now, and we're going to take apart our main component of our Snuggin Go. To do that, we're going to unvelcro your frame from your Snuggin Go. So we're going to gently pull the Velcro off the frame. Same thing on the other side. Gently pull. And same thing for the bottom of your Snuggin Go. You're going to gently pull this Velcro, completely undoing your Snuggin Go so that your frame is totally exposed. Now you're going to gently pull your frame out of your Snuggin Go. This is not washable, so you're going to set this aside until you need it when you're done washing your Snuggin Go 2. Gently put that aside. To take your foam out of your Snuggin Go 2, you're going to gently flip this back and just pop out the foam like that. Being very gentle, you're going to push the foam out and flip your Snuggin Go back inside out. This is not washable, so you're going to put that right aside with your frame, and you're going to do the same thing with the other side of your Snuggin Go. So flip that back inside out, and we're going to lay that aside while we take our neck rest apart. To do this, we're going to take our Velcro and we're going to completely undo your neck rest, gently taking the Velcro off. This you're going to set aside with your plastic frame and your foam because it's not washable as well. To take this apart, you're going to gently take your fingers and push that foam out again. Gently pushing that foam out and putting that back right side up and setting this aside. Now we're going to wash your Snuggin Go 2. You're going to put your Snuggin Go 2 inside your washing machine to gentle or delicates. And then select cold on your cycle. Use your normal washing detergent, or if you feel the need, non-chlorine bleach. We're going to air dry your Snuggin Go 2 flat and wait for it to dry. You're going to take your main component of your Snuggin Go and lay it flat with your logo side facing up. You're going to take both of your foam on your legs. This flat edge is always facing on the outside, curve going in to cradle your baby. Again, on the other side, flat on the outside with the curve going down and in. To put your foam inside of your Snuggin Go, you're going to take your foam with that edge on the outside, and you're going to gently push that corner in, aligning with the edge of the material, with the edge of the foam on the inside. Now you're going to take that flat edge and you're going to gently continue to hold it and keep it that shape, and you're going to gently push it in all the way down, again continuing to hold your Snuggin Go so that your foam is also aligned with the bottom of the material. You're going to hold this part and take your hand out and gently give it a tug, straightening it out. You're going to lay that side down flat, and we're going to do the other side. The same thing, you're going to take your edge, always facing the outside, and you're going to hold this securely, and you're going to take those corners and you're going to align them up on the inside with the material. It lines up perfectly. You're going to take that flat edge, gently laying it flat, and pulling the bottom to, again, like the top, aligning the material with the foam. You're going to gently hold this while you take your hand out, and you're going to pull that gently so that it all lays perfectly. To put your frame back in, we're going to take the frame with your Velcro facing up, so that all three of your Velcro is facing up. We're going to take the edge of the frame, the bottom of the frame, and you're going to gently push that down there. Same goes for this side. We're going to gently push that down there, and you're going to push all the way until you get to the bottom. That's like where the frame is right there. It goes all the way to the bottom of your Snuggin Go 2. To securely close your Snuggin Go 2, you're going to take both fingers, pull this so that it's straight, and you really want to lay this flat. So you're only going to do the bottom half for the bottom. You're going to securely press firmly, and same goes with this top flap. You're going to pull so that it lines correctly, and you're going to press firmly, giving it a nice, straight, seamless close. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this flap and pull it up, and we're going to realign your Velcro on the inside. This Velcro aligns correctly with the Velcro on your frame, and you're going to press firmly on that side, close your flap, and again the same thing with the other side. You're going to flip this flap and align the inside Velcro with the Velcro on your frame, and you're going to press firmly and secure. Now we're going to put your neck back together. Your neck piece, you're going to take your material and you're going to lay it upside down so that the hole to put your foam in is facing up, along with the Velcro is also facing up. You're going to take your Velcro and you're going to put your index finger in the middle of it and kind of fold it in half so that you can get your memory foam inside of the material. To do that, we're going to gently pull this open and push all these corners, aligning up these edges right here with the edge of your neck frame so that the material again lines up with your foam. Same thing for the other side. You're going to gently fold it in half so you can get it in there, firmly holding that securely and pushing so that your foam lines up with your material. Now what you're going to have to do is you're going to gently pull these flaps and push your foam in so that it ends up a nice flat shape. You're going to take your frame for your neck and we're going to gently put your frame together. And you're going to take your Velcro and you're going to put it only halfway on because you want your other half for that side. You're going to press firmly, same thing on the other side, gently tucking that material on the inside of the frame. And you're going to press firmly and secure. You're going to take your frame and everything remains upside down, and to put your neck frame back onto your main component, you're going to flip this flap over with the tag and you're going to pull the inside of your frame that has the Velcro and the material on it, and you're going to pull that towards you and you're going to put this inside into there. So you're going to gently secure that and you're going to gently secure the other side going in. You're gonna take your flap and you're gonna put it back over. Same thing with the other side. You're gonna flip this flap over and you're going to take your fingers and you're gonna gently pull this towards you so that you can get the inside of your neck frame to go on the inside of your component frame. Go ahead and put that on there securely, fold over, and you got your Snuggin Go too. A way that you can know that if you've done it right is when you can easily move or adjust your neck piece accordingly. And there you go. You have your clean Snuggin Go too.